Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we are reviewing this scratcher pad and box by Kunlun. It is really nice. It gives you on the back of this first piece of paper the instructions on how to use it. When you open the box up, you take out these little pads right here, which also comes with catnip. The dimensions are about 18 inches by a foot, and it does have the little hole on the side here, which cats love, of course. But it comes in multi-packs here. So you just simply, when your one gets completely destroyed for your cat, it can be replaced. It comes with 5 of these, which works out perfectly because we do have 2 cats that love scratching. So you're going to take your pads, lay the catnip on here, and then have them go crazy on it. They love the holes on the side and everything. In a minute, I'm going to go find my cats, and we're going to have them test this out. Alright guys, so here's our cat using the cat scratcher. Put a little bit of catnip there, using just the very base bottom. And here we go. Look at that. Perfect for your cat when he wants to really dig in with his nails and scratch up the post. We put a little bit of catnip in there so it helps out a bit. Look at that. Look at him go on that. Seems like he really likes it. Just gonna get over to here. Oh, he's just gonna sit in the box. Of course, cats love their boxes, so it is a really cool play toy for him as well. The scratching, obviously, look. But yeah, he loves this thing. He's already scratching away at it. Look at him go. All right, well, you guys have a wonderful day and take care.